Master D. Today we are going to do a very interesting science experiment.
Right, Master D? Right, Miss K?
Of course. So let's start.
So first of all, we should know what are the materials required for the science experiment.
A candle, a matchstick,
A glass.
some colored water.
And one plate.
So
Let's start! So first of all, Master D and Miss K, we will light the candle.
Master, can you please light the candle for us?
Yes, of course.
Please do it under your elder's supervision.
Thanks, Master R. We will put some wax on the plate and we'll fix the candle carefully.
Please wait at least for 5 seconds. Now Miss K, please pour this colored water in the plate carefully.
Master D, can you please cover the candle with the glass now? Take. And now, observe. Oh, the water is rising up. But why did the candle extinguish?
Because fire needs oxygen to burn.
And when we cover the candle with glass, there is no oxygen there inside the glass. So, the candle extinguishes.
Air pressure inside the glass is low and the air is lighter. And the air pressure outside the glass is high and the air is heavier.
The outside air pushes the water into the container until the pressure is equalized both inside and outside the container.
This causes vacuum and makes water rise up in the glass.
But what is vacuum? I also have the same doubt.
Vacuum is the space from which all the matter has been taken out.
Okay. But what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
There are 3 types of matter: solid, liquid and gas.
Hope you both understood.
Hope you guys also understood.
Thank you.
Like, subscribe to the P.A.R.K, your own channel.